There is a garden I drove past last summer that I genuinely cannot stop thinking about. Modest house. Ordinary street. Nothing remarkable about the property from the outside at all. But through the side gate, just visible from the road, was a pergola that stopped me completely. I actually pulled over. Clean, black steel posts. Chunky timber beams. A roof that somehow looked both solid and open simultaneously. String lights woven through the structure catching the evening light. A dining table beneath it set like something from a boutique hotel terrace. I sat in my car for a full minute before I drove away. And the whole time I kept thinking one thing. Someone built that themselves. Because I could see the details, the joinery, the fixings, the way the materials came together. This was not a professional landscaping company. This was someone who decided to learn, planned carefully, and executed brilliantly. That is exactly what today's video is about. 10 DIY pergola ideas for 2026. Ranked by pure visual impact. Built with modern materials and modern thinking. Achievable by anyone with a weekend, a solid plan, and the right information. Chapter 1, welcome back to Yard and Beyond, where modern design meets real execution. And if you are new here, welcome. Subscribe right now, because if a pergola is anywhere on your list for this year, this is the only video you need. Before we start, do you currently have a pergola? Or is 2026 finally the year you build one? Drop it in the comments right now. I want to know exactly where you are starting from. And here is the principle behind every single build today. 15 seconds. 2 truths. First truth, a pergola is the single highest impact structure you can add to any outdoor space. Nothing else changes a garden as dramatically, as permanently, or as affordably. Second truth, most pergolas look cheap, not because of what they are made from, but because of proportion, detail, and finish. Get those 3 things right, and a 400-pound build looks like a 4,000-pound professional commission. Proportion, detail, finish, that is the entire formula. Every build today follows it. Build 1, the floating black steel A&D timber pergola. This is the pergola that stopped me on that street last summer. And it is number 1 on this list. For one reason, no other build delivers more pure architectural impact per pound spent. Slim powder-coated matte black steel posts 80 by 80 millimeter square hollow section paired with chunky sawn timber beams overhead. The contrast between the slim dark posts and the heavy pale timber is the entire design. Thin supports. Thick roof. That visual tension is what makes it look designed rather than just built. The critical detail, the posts appear to float the roof above them. No visible brackets. The beam sits in a recessed steel cup welded to the post head, hiding the connection completely. From below, all you see is timber hovering on impossibly slim black lines. Pair with string lights woven in a grid pattern through the beam structure, and after dark, the entire pergola becomes a lantern. Warm amber light from above, deep shadow at the posts. The effect is extraordinary. Set posts in concrete footings 600 millimeters deep. Allow full cure before loading. No specialist welding required if you source prefabricated post cups online. Total cost for a 3 by 4 meter floating pergola under 600 pounds. Have you ever seen a pergola that genuinely stopped you in your tracks? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear exactly what it looked like. Build 2, the louvered roof pergola, the most functional modern pergola design available in 2026, and the one that extends your outdoor living season further than any other build on this list. Timber louvers or powder-coated aluminum blades set between the main roof beams at a fixed pitch. No moving parts. No mechanism. No maintenance. Just geometry doing an intelligent job. Pitched at 45 degrees, the louvers block direct midday sun while allowing morning and evening light through at lower angles. The shadow pattern they cast below parallel lines of light and shade-shifting position throughout the day is one of the most beautiful incidental design effects in garden architecture. For a premium version, install LED strip lighting on the underside of each louver blade. After dark, the entire roof glows as a series of parallel warm lines. Sophisticated beyond what the cost suggests. Complete louvered roof pergola materials 500 to 900 pounds. LED strip edition 40 to 80 pounds. Timber louvers or aluminum blades, which would you choose? Tell me your preference in the comments. Build 3, the wrapped climbing plant pergola, the most organic and most timeless pergola on this list, and the one that gets more beautiful with every single passing year. A simple but perfectly proportioned timber frame designed specifically as a scaffold for climbing plants. Wisteria, climbing roses, jasmine, clematis. The plant is the architecture. The timber is the skeleton beneath it. The design secret that separates a beautiful climbing pergola from an ordinary one. The frame must be heavy enough to eventually disappear. 150 by 150 millimeter posts. 150 by 75 millimeter beams. Substantial enough that when the plants are mature and covering every surface, the structure beneath still reads as solid and intentional. This is the only build on this list that asks for patience. 2 to 3 seasons before it reaches full impact. After that, it is the most photographed feature in any garden it exists in. Complete build under 500 pounds. What climbing plant would you choose for yours? Drop it in the comments. This question always generates the best discussion on this channel. Build 4, the sail shade pergola hybrid, not a pure pergola. Not a pure sail shade. A hybrid of both and one of the most contemporary original outdoor structures you can build in 2026. A minimal steel post frame, 4 slim posts in a rectangular arrangement with no overhead beams, with a tensioned architectural fabric sail stretched diagonally across the top between the post heads. The sail is the roof. Taut, geometric, casting a precise shadow shape on everything below. The design impact comes from the diagonal tension. A sail set at 45 degrees to the post grid creates a dynamic angular form that flat-roofed pergolas simply cannot achieve. The shadow it casts changes shape and position dramatically throughout the day, functioning almost as a sundial overhead. Use HAP architectural shade fabric, UV resistant, water permeable, available in graphite, charcoal, stone, and terracotta rather than standard canvas. The texture and drape of quality shade fabric is what separates this build from a basic garden center sail. Complete hybrid structure under 500 pounds. Build 5, the Corten steel pergola rust as a design material. Used in high-end landscape architecture worldwide. And one of the most genuinely distinctive pergola aesthetics available to any DIY builder. Corten steel posts and beams, the alloy that forms a stable rust patina and then stops corroding, assembled as a complete pergola frame with no paint, no treatment, no maintenance ever required. The material arrives silver gray. Within 6 to 12 months outdoors, it transforms into the rich, warm orange-brown that makes Corten one of the most beautiful materials in contemporary garden design. The patina is never uniform, shifting between deep orange, warm brown, and almost purple-black depending on light angle, moisture, and age. Every Corten pergola develops a completely unique surface character over time. Pair with pale limestone paving below and dark architectural planting around the base. Warm rust against pale stone against deep green is one of the most sophisticated material combinations in outdoor design. Bolt connections rather than weld. Post bases bolt to concrete footings with stainless steel anchor bolts to prevent any ground contact that would accelerate corrosion beyond the patina stage. Complete 3x3 meter Corten frame, 800 to 1,400 pounds. Premium investment. Genuinely irreplaceable result. Build 6, the minimalist flat roof pergola, the pergola that interior designers build when they finally get an outdoor space to work with. No pitched roof, no decorative brackets, No ornamental details of any kind. A completely flat overhead plane. Timber decking boards or slotted hardwood laid across a steel or timber beam grid, creating a solid roof section over part of the structure and an open slotted section over the remainder. The flat roof section defines the dining or seating zone below it. The slotted section beyond allows light and rain through while maintaining the visual continuity of the overhead plane. One structure. Two zones. Defined entirely by the roof material. The detail that makes this read as professional: the roof plane extends beyond the posts by a minimum of 300 millimeters on all sides. That overhang creates a shadow line on the post face that separates roof from structure visually. Without the overhang, the whole thing looks like a box. With it, it looks designed. Complete flat roof pergola under 700 pounds. Build 7 the pergola with built-in kitchen counter. A pergola that also functions as an outdoor kitchen structure. The overhead frame cantilevering out from a built-in concrete block rendered masonry counter along one side. The kitchen is literally part of the structure. The pergola and the kitchen are one object, not a pergola with a barbecue pushed under it. That integration is precisely what makes it look professional. The unified design reads as architectural rather than assembled. Built-in features within the counter: a sink connected to an outdoor water supply, a built-in gas barbecue, storage doors in powder-coated steel, a prep surface in heat-resistant porcelain. Everything flush. Everything integrated. Complete integrated structure under 1,200 pounds. A professional equivalent 8,000 to 15,000 pounds. What would be your number one built-in feature in an outdoor kitchen counter? Pizza oven, sink, barbecue, or wine fridge? Tell me below. I genuinely want to know. Build 8 the tensioned wire roof pergola, a contemporary take on the climbing plant pergola. But instead of timber, battens a grid of stainless steel wire tensioned between the main beams, creates the overhead plane. The wires are invisible from a distance. What you see is the beam frame and the plants climbing through apparently nothing. Roses, clematis, and wisteria trained across the wire grid create a floating ceiling of flowers and foliage with no visible support structure. After dark, with uplighting from below, the plant canopy glows like a living ceiling. Light passing through gaps in the foliage creates extraordinary dappled patterns on everything below. The wire tensioning system, stainless steel eye bolts and barrel tensioners, is the only specialist component required. Available from rigging suppliers at modest cost. Once installed, the wire requires zero maintenance and lasts indefinitely. Complete tensioned wire pergola under 500 pounds. Build 9 the lean to polycarbonate pergola, the most practical pergola on this list, and the one that adds genuinely usable square footage to your home more effectively than any other outdoor structure. A lean to frame one side fixed to the house wall, the other carried on slim posts with a multi-wall polycarbonate sheet roof at sufficient pitch to shed rainwater. The polycarbonate transmits diffused natural light while providing complete weather protection. This is not a conservatory. The open sides keep it feeling like an outdoor space, while the roof makes it genuinely usable in all weather. An outdoor room that works 12 months a year. The modern design detail that elevates this above a standard lean to slim black aluminum glazing bars between the polycarbonate panels rather than white UPVC. The black lines read as architectural rather than utilitarian. One material swap. Transformative visual result. Complete lean to pergola under 700 pounds. Build 10 the freestanding pergola room, the most ambitious build on this list. And the one that most completely transforms an outdoor space into a genuine destination. A freestanding structure large enough to function as a complete outdoor room. Minimum 4 by 5 meters with defined zones within it. A dining zone under a solid louvered roof section. A lounge zone under an open slatted section. A bar or serving counter integrated along one internal face. Privacy screens, vertical timber slats, or tensioned wire with climbing plants define 2 or 3 sides without fully enclosing the space. The fourth side remains completely open toward the garden view. Integrated lighting throughout. LED strip under every beam. Recessed ground spots at every post base. Pendant lights over the dining zone. The room has its own complete lighting design. Built-in seating along one screen side. A continuous rendered bench with outdoor cushions eliminates the need for movable furniture in the lounge zone. Realistically, 3 to 4 weekends for a competent DIY builder. The result, an outdoor space that functions as a genuine extra room for 9 months of the year. Complete materials for a 4x5 meter pergola room, 1,200 to 2,500 pounds. A professional equivalent, 8,000 to 15,000 pounds. Chapter 2, the story A and the lesson that pergola I pulled over for last summer. I knocked on the door. The owner answered. I apologized for the intrusion and told him what I had seen through the gate. He laughed and said he had never built anything in his entire life before that structure. He watched tutorials for 2 weeks, planned for 1 month, built it in 3 weekends with his brother. Total cost £640. I asked him what the most important thing he learned was. He said proportion. Get the proportions right and everything else follows. He was absolutely correct. And that is the single most important thing I want you to take from this entire video. Before you choose your material, before you price your timber, before you dig your first footing, decide your proportions. Get them right, and your pergola will look professional regardless of what it is built from. Conclusion 10 builds. All modern. All DIY. All achievable in 2026. The floating black steel and timber pergola, the architecture that stops traffic. The louvered roof, the build that extends your outdoor season. The wrapped climbing plant pergola, the structure that improves for decades. The sail shade hybrid, the most contemporary form on this list. Corten steel rust that becomes more beautiful every year. The minimalist flat roof, the interior designer's outdoor choice. The integrated kitchen counter pergola structure and function as one object. The tensioned wire roof, the floating plant ceiling. The lean to polycarbonate 12 months of usable outdoor space. And the freestanding pergola room, the outdoor room that changes everything. Now go back to your comment from the beginning. You told me whether you are building your first pergola or upgrading an existing one. Now tell me which of these 10 designs fits your space, your budget, and your ambition for 2026. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you the clarity and confidence to finally build your pergola this year, hit the thumbs up. It helps Yard and Beyond reach more people who need exactly this. Subscribe if you have not already. Every single week we bring you the modern DIY builds, the design thinking and the execution knowledge that turn ordinary outdoor spaces into something genuinely extraordinary. Your pergola does not need a professional. It needs a plan, the right materials, and one good weekend. Go build it.